Hello and welcome to this video. We're going to learn how to calculate the volume of a rectangular prism, which is also known as a cuboid. Now, so we have a simple sketch of a cuboid here. So let's A centimeters for this edge, and then B for this other one, and C for this other one. Now, generally, as we have mentioned in the previous videos, we calculate volume by multiplying the cross-section area by the length. So for this case, okay, so let me have the cross-section area by the length. So for this case, since it's a rectangular, a prism, the cross section is rectangular. Okay, so so there could be three rectangles or faces that could be cross sections for this case. So if the base rectangle, or if we take the base rectangle as the cross section, then this becomes the length, that is C. Okay, if we take this face, or this, let me use a different color, this rectangle as the cross section, then B becomes the length. And similarly, if we take this other one as the cross section, then A becomes the length. So you can take any of them, you can work with any of them, and you'll still get the same answer. So we can look at a few examples so that we can get to understand this in a better way. So let's have A as 10 centimeters and B as 6 centimeters and C as 3 centimeters. So what is going to be the volume of that cuboid? So we have 10 centimeters, 6 centimeters and 3 centimeters. So as we said, you can take any face to be the cross section. So assume we take the base as the cross section. So we're going to have the area of the base, which is a rectangle, and we know that to find the area of a rectangle, we need to multiply the length by the width of the rectangle. So if we take the base to be the cross section, the area of the cross section or the base is going to be 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters times 6 centimeters. So that is the area of the base. And then now to get the volume of the cuboid, you can take you can multiply now by the length, which is 3 centimeters, and this will give us 180 cubic centimeters. So do not forget to indicate the units, that is cubic centimeters. So similarly, if we could decide to take this face or this rectangle as the cross section area, or rather as the cross section, so the cross section area would be 6 times 3 centimeters, and then we could now multiply by the length, which is 10, and so you see this will give us the same answer. So we can look at another example. So let's say we have the measurements of a cuboid. Let's have the length A as 3, so not 3 but 12. Let's use 12 centimeters, and then B as 7 centimeters and C as 5 centimeters. So go ahead and try to work this out. So we're going to have the volume as, so if we take the base to be, or the face, this side facing downwards as the cross section. So it's going to be 12 centimeters times 7 centimeters. So that is going to be the area, the cross section, and then we multiply by the length, which is 5 centimeters, and this will give us 420 cubic centimeters. Again, do not forget to indicate the units. So we can look at one final one, and then probably you can work this out by yourself. So assume we have the measurements of the cuboid as A is 15 centimeters, B as 10 centimeters, and C as 7 centimeters. So you can try to work this out as a practice question, and then you can let me know the answer by commenting on this video, and then I will tell you whether the answer that you have just commented or given is correct or not. So if you find this video relevant, you can consider subscribing to this channel so that you can get notified whenever I upload another video. So let's meet in the next video.